Sanbanani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, news has been in by this guy called Ujabulani McDonald on Twitter. He said Uthando Nesthembu has been renewed for an 8th season. Now we have been getting clues there and there, which is Obuya guys. In all honesty, I don't see the show Ipela anytime soon. But it goes on to say with more episodes amounting to a total of 25 episodes for season 8. Guys, that is massive because the last time I checked, they released a maximum of 13. Most of these shows, they release a maximum of 12, 13 episodes per season. So from 12 to 30 or 12 or 13, jumping to 24, guys. Uchabulani goes on to say it is set to air twice a week on Wednesdays and Thursdays, you guys. And listen, most of us are excited about this. Now, visuals also have been released showing their looks, guys, for Uthando Nesthembu poster, I guess, for season 8. And majority of them look like they lost weight. Matele looks like she lost weight. Mayeni looks like she lost weight. Bonkenje, guys. And listen, they all seem to look good. But some people were complaining about the wardrobe. Yoguti, why ngati these pictures, like, why are they dressed like this? Another person even said in the comment section, Uguti wa allegedly that Umake, Umakumalo is expecting in season 8. I'm just like, guys, in the bengaga, like, let's just say, if she's not, like we all know, and I believe that majority of us, it is our wish that Umake could have her own child, guys. Already she's a phenomenal mother to all the kids, all her husband's kids, Shem Agaketi. So, but we know Uthando has been honest that he's not comfortable with taking this route, Eslungu and stuff like that. So we don't know, but I'm just like, guys, to put that out in the comment section, like to even start such in or about such things, it is a bit of a sensitive issue. I don't know if it is for her, but we will wait and see in season 8 if really that's the case. But guys, we've got high expectations. Listen, I wonder abomsele benza malini, guys, because I mean 24 episodes. Yes, we are happy for that, but that means more money for them, you guys, because that's taking more of their time recording this content. But anyway, January 22, it is the 2nd of January. The 22nd of January, we will be there reviewing the show in the Bala Wife number 5. But listen, we are here for us. Play us. We are your children. Anyway, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.